On September 17, 2019, a public beta test was sent off for the Hedera hashgraph organization, a conveyed vault with a pronounced throughput of 10,000 exchanges each second. The stage likewise sent off its own Hedera hashgraph digital money Hbar, as well as a help for shrewd agreements and document stockpiling. Also, there are as of now more than 36 applications previously working on its premise. What is the Hedera hashgraph estimate for 2021, and then some? Will Hbar cost go up in 2021? Figure out this and more in our Hedera hashgraph cost expectation for 2021 to 2030. Hashgraph, the Hbar blockchain, is a more proficient option to blockchain. It is likewise a dispersed library, yet one that utilizes an alternate approach to compassing blocks. Rather than an unmistakable grouping of blocks, blockchain, the hash graph utilizes a directed acyclic graph, DAG, which records data in a non-straight way, without a successive chain of blocks. Digital currencies, for example, IOTA, Byteball and Tangle, are as of now working based on DAG. On account of DAG, the hash graph guarantees every one of the benefits of the blockchain, however without its downside as low exchange speed. In its most broad structure, a hash graph agreement fills in as follows. O network members, hubs, trade information by means of the gossip convention. O transaction data is shipped off to irregular hubs, communicating them, thus, to two other O nodes, etc. dramatically, until the quantity of informed hubs is sufficient to check the exchange. O nodes trade just exchange information with one another, and not all data about the organization. Well, data is put away not in blocks, but rather in hashes subsequently. Everything happens a lot quicker than in the blockchain. No transactions are kept in sequential request, so you can follow their set of experiences. The hash calculation was created and licensed in 2016 by the American mathematician Lyman Baird. Calculation freedoms are possessed by Swirls, helped to establish and created by Baird. Swirl's innovation was spotted by U.S. banks in October 2017, the National Credit Union Association, CUNA, and Mountain West Credit Union Association, MWCUA, which shaped a consortium of 6,000 banks, chose Swirls to make a typical corporate organization. Achievement permitted them to isolate the venture into a different stage. Hedera hashgraph platform. Swirls allowed Hedera hashgraph a restrictive permit, under which the organization will get 10% of Hedera hashgraph's income. Hedera hashgraph is a public foundation of Baird's protected hashgraph. From March to August 2018, the venture was directed by ICO, raising $124 million. Shut testing of the organization started in December 2018. The code was checked by a few review organizations, yet just now the engineers have started public testing. Hedera hashgraph at present offers 3 items. A cryptographic money, brilliant agreements, and a document administration. Any client can make a record on the organization, open a record or make dApps in view of Hedera hashgraph, having finished the kick assessment. The organization upholds up to 10,000 exchanges each second, and its exchange affirmation time is 3 to 5 seconds. Savvy agreements and document administrations are likewise accessible on the Hedera hashgraph organization, yet up to this point, their throughput depends on 10 exchanges each second, while the announced velocities will progressively increment, and the typical exchange expense will be $0.0001. Hedera price prediction 2022. As per the specialized examination of Hedera costs expected in 2022, the base expense of Hedera will be 13 cents. The most extreme level that the Hbar cost can reach is 15 cents. The typical exchanging cost is normal around 13 cents. August 2022. Hedera price forecast. Around mid-year 2022, the Hbar cost will be exchanged at 12 cents by and large. August 2022 could likewise observe an expansion in the Hedera worth to 12 cents. It is expected that the cost won't drop lower than 11 cents in August 2022. Hbar price forecast for September 2022. Crypto specialists have examined Hedera costs in 2022, so they are prepared to give their assessed exchanging normal to September 2022 12 cents. The most minimal and top HBAR rates may be 12 cents and 13 cents. October 2022. Hedera price forecast. Crypto investigators expect that toward the finish of summer 2022, the HBAR cost will be around 12 cents. In October 2022, the Hedera cost might drop to at least 12 cents. The normal pinnacle worth may be 13 cents in October 2022. HBAR price forecast for November 2022. Having dissected Hedera costs, cryptographic money specialists expect that the HBAR rate could arrive at a limit of 14 cents in November 2022. It may, in any case, drop to 12 cents. For November 2022, the determined normal of Hedera is almost 13 cents. December 2022. Hedera price forecast. Around mid-2022, the Hedera cost will be exchanged at the typical degree of 13 cents. Crypto experts expect that in December 2022, the HBAR cost could change somewhere in the range of 13 cents and 15 cents. Hedera price prediction 2023. After the examination of the costs of Hedera in earlier years, it is accepted that in 2023, the base cost of Hedera will be around 18 cents. The most extreme expected HBAR cost might be around 22 cents. By and large, the exchanging cost may be 19 cents in 2023. Hedera price prediction 2024. In view of the specialized examination by digital money specialists in regards to the costs of Hedera, in 2024, HBAR is supposed to have the accompanying least and most extreme costs. About 26 cents and 31 cents, separately. The typical expected exchanging cost is 27 cents. Hedera price prediction 2025. The specialists in the field of digital money have dissected the costs of Hedera and their variances during the earlier years. It is accepted that in 2025, the base HBAR cost could drop to 38 cents, while its most extreme can reach 45 cents. By and large, the exchanging cost will be around 40 cents. Hedera price prediction 2026. In view of the examination of the expenses of Hedera by crypto specialists, the accompanying greatest and least HBAR costs are normal in 2026. 67 cents and 57 cents. Overall, it will be exchanged at 59 cents. Hedera price prediction 2027. Crypto specialists are continually dissecting the variances of Hedera. In light of their forecasts, the assessed typical HBAR cost